So first thing, ticketing system. Let me introduce our ticketing system. We are using the Jira Service Desk solution. And today I will introduce how you can register to our Jira Service Desk and how to use the ticketing system. As you see now, I am trying to creating the account with my personal email. And if you sign up, you will receive the email from our system within 1 or 2 minutes. At this moment, ID registration link is not available in our website, and because of that reason, I shared a Zoom chat about how you can access to this website. Please, this is my personal email, but please use your work email for better communication in the future. And if you just click the button there, you can access to our website, ticketing website. Menu consists with a general issue and each model's question and issues. As soon as we launch the new models, we will increase the menus here. And if you are using some Windows C and Windows mobile devices, please use the legacy question or issue. In the ticketing system, you can change your profile as well. So by clicking edit button here, you can change your name. And you can change your language, time zone, and avatar. You can use any photo here. And also you can change the password here. Regarding the, let me introduce and explain the importance of the device information taking and bug report taking. There is a saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and sometimes we have difficulty to catch your issues. For example, some people just send an email, I have an issue, and do you know that? And that is really bad, difficult to understand. So the best thing is that the when, and of course, we need some device information and bug reports. Device information save the useful information as a HTML file, and we can easily check your device information. It has the manufacturer information, OS version, hardware revision, and scanner info, and sensor status as well. Just touch the save to file. It can save it to internal storage. And device, not only that, we can check the scanners. I mean, every status of your device. So just copy to your desktop, and if you open the device information file, you will see actually this side is my PM550 screen, and I can see my testing PM550's version, OS image version, serial number, manufacturer information. But also I could check the scanner settings here. So UPCA is checked here. And if I search the UPCA setting, you can see here the enable value is 1, which is the enabled now. And also, if I just see the detailed symbology settings, you can see here that the symbology properties are available here. So even your device is far away, with this device information HTML file, we can see how you set your scanner settings, and could tracking that why specific barcode could not read. And I am just checking that the QR code information, and you can see that value here is also here. And bug reports log really help us what causing the your field issue. In this video, I just try to access website without a network connection. Of course, because of that reason, you see it shows that offline. Yeah, here. Bug report case, actually all of the logs are saved to the RAM first, and then remove if the log keep taking, and by touching this take bug report function, it will save it to as the file. So after issue reproducing, please save it and share to us. It normally takes 1 or 2 minutes, and if we go to the file explorer, you will see the bug report folder, and bug report will be saved to here. So as you see just here, once file is saved to device, it will notify you. And please copy this file to your computer. And after that, please connect your Point Mobile Android device and copy the device information to your computer. And also go to the bug report folder and also copy it to your computer as well. Bug report case, please zip it. I will just show different size of the zipped version and unzipped version. So when it is not unzipped, it is around the 7 megabyte, but if we just zip it, it is less than 1 megabyte. After you copy these files to your computer, please access to our website here and click the PM550 issue, and please describe as much details you could share us. So for example, this is the header of the email. Actually, it marked as summary, but and describe the reproduce step. Like I can't access my web app with the PM550 Chrome. And and you can also browsing the file, but you can basically drag the file here, and it will be attached to our ticketing system. And you can set the priority, and if you think it is very urgent, please set higher priority. And by click this create button, you will see our ticketing system just generate a ticket. We can see the description and also the attached file, which I which you will just upload it. And you can see the status and the ticketing number here. And also later, if you take a look at here, you can escalate or resolve it or cancel our request. And as soon as ticket is generated, it will send you a registered email. So yeah, here you can see the ticket number. Once we receive the bug report or device information, we will just reviewing. So in the bug report, I can see when this file is generated and which version here. And based on the report step which you wrapped, we personally checking the Chrome related log. And if we just search in the Chrome in the this bug report, you will see there is a lot of 2,000 Chrome related log. So if possible, please let us know detailed report step that we can minimize our reviewing time. And as you see here, even within less than 1 second, there are lots of the Chrome related log. Actually, this time I just searched the Chrome, but I know the issue that is related with the network connection. So if I just search in the IP address here, there is no IP address information. So our technical support team will review and wrap the message to ticketing system that there is some problem with your network connection. After our team's review ticket handling, you will see the update information. For example, here, based on our analysis, it seems your PM550 did not connect to the network. So please connect the network. And if you think this is a reasonable and solution, please resolve the issue. And the thing of this ticketing system is that here, as you see, you can track all of the history between our technical support team and you. And next thing is that the OS update is sometimes we will ask you update the OS first because old version OS may have a problem, but the new OS version we may solve your field issue already. So let me introduce how you can always update your OS image. First thing is that the PFU. PFU is that our OS image file extension. And you can get this file from our service portal. To log in our service portal, you need the ID and password, and please contact our sales team. They will create the ID and password for you. And as you can see here, I can download the PM45's OS image to my computer. And please copy this file to internal storage or SD card. Please note you need to copy this file to the root folder. Otherwise, our system would not recognize it. And if you go to the File Explorer, you will see file is copied successfully. And to update your OS image, please go to the settings. And last menu of the setting is the About phone, and touch the system update. Your Point Mobile device will recognize the PFP file and guide you updating. Second option is that using the POTA. POTA is the firmware over the air. And you can see this menu in the settings, About phone, and system update. And here, there is advanced menu, and you will see POTA client option. Please make sure your device is connected to your Wi-Fi network first, because the file size is around 1.2 or 1.3 gigabyte that we always we set the default setting as the Wi-Fi connection. So after you turning on or connecting to the network, you will see difference. Go to settings again and About phone and system update, and touch that POTA. You will see the server selection, and please choose the nearby server. In my case, I choose the ACR, and it will start downloading. And as soon as finishes downloading the file from the POTA server, device will enter to the OS image update process. And touch continue button to update to your Point Mobile Android device. That was about the OS update, and during conversation of the field issue, we will frequently ask you, please update to this version and let us know that the issue is resolved or not.